Sake of those that are just joining us, I feel that I should do a recap on laboratory preparation of gases that we did was there last week. Alright, so we are going to go through some gases right now. So the first one we have on the board is the laboratory preparation of sulphur 4 oxide. So this is the sulphur 4 oxide. Alright, so how do we do this in the laboratory? Mostly for the WAEC and even Jamb student. Alright, so our first flask here contains what? Na2SO3, that is sodium triosulfate 4. Reacting with what? Conc HCl. You can see it right there. Now the gas that is produced goes into the second flask. The second flask contains who? H2XO4, which is hydrogen tetrazosulfate 6. What's the function? It dries this gas. Okay, so remember our mnemonics. Her cap reacts sonia surface 4, her surface 6 dry surface 4. This gas is collected by downward delivery because it's heavier downward than air. Okay, so the next gas we have right here is the laboratory preparation of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Alright, so how do we prepare our hydrochloric acid? You see that we have sodium chloride here reacting with what? H2XO4. So this is sonia cap reacting her surface 6, and of course her surface 6 is drying her cap. So H2SO4 is the drying agent here. So from here the gas move into the gas jars. You can see right there. This is sonia cap react her surface 6, her surface 6 dries her cap. Laboratory preparation of what? Of hydrochloric acid. Alright, so right here we are under chlorine. Laboratory preparation of what? Of chlorine gas. We have 4 flasks here. The first flask contains KMNO4, which is potassium tetrazomanganate 7. This will react with hydrochloric acid, and of course after this the gases will move into the second flask containing water. What's the function of water? It removes any HCl that is formed in the process, because HCl is highly soluble. Then thereafter it moves into the third flask. The third flask contains H2SO4. What's the function of this H2SO4? It dries the chlorine gas. And again, chlorine is heavier than air, so it's collected by downward delivery. You remember just that. Now the fourth gas here is the laboratory preparation of what? Of ammonia. Laboratory preparation of ammonia. So how is ammonia prepared? It's an ammonium chloride with calcium hydroxide reacting. You heat up the mixture a little bit, and of course the gas that is produced move into what? The drying tower. The drying tower contains calcium oxide, and of course this is ammonia that is collected by upward delivery because it's heavier than air. Alright, so let's move on to the fifth gas. The fifth gas here is the laboratory preparation of who? Of oxygen gas. So how do you prepare oxygen gas in the laboratory? This is what you have. When you heat the compound, this compound potassium triiochlorate 5, you heat it, definitely you are going to have oxygen gas, and of course the gas is collected over water. If you want to dry the gas, you use an anhydrous calcium chloride to dry that gas, and you collect it over mercury and not water. Alright, the sixth one here is the laboratory preparation of what? Of hydrogen gas. So how do you prepare hydrogen gas? It's very simple. Reacting a piece of metal with what? With HCl, the gas produced is collected what? Over water, and you can see it right there. Now hydrogen gas is very light, so I think it's the lightest gas we know. So it's collected by what? Upward delivery. Alright, so the next one we have here is nitrogen 1 oxide, otherwise known as what? Laughing gas. How do you prepare nitrogen 1 oxide in the laboratory? So it's just a mixture, heating a mixture of potassium triazonitrate 5 and ammonium chloride. It's a two-step reaction right there. The gas produced is collected over what? Warm water. This is nitrogen 1 oxide. The last but not the least is the laboratory preparation of nitrogen 4 oxide. Laboratory preparation of nitrogen 4 oxide, as you can see right here. Of course, oxygen gas is also produced in the process, but you can see. So how do we prepare nitrogen 4 oxide in the laboratory? By heating the compound lead-2 triazonitrate 5. Lead-2 triazonitrate 5, you heat the mixture, and of course nitrogen 4 oxide is collected over what? Freezing ice. So this is the nitrogen 4 oxides, yellow when solid, right there. You see that? Alright, so these are some of the laboratory diagrams that you need to master. You need to, of course, you can save this video, keep the video 2 days or 3 days to the exam. Make sure you watch it again to refresh your memory on laboratory preparation. Of course, if you have any question on this, you know where to find me. Do have a great day. Thank you.